Vietnam.
Good morning, Ho Chi Minh. Hello, Saigon.
As you can see, wala gaanong tao. Sobrang aga namin. It's 12:43 Ho Chi Minh time. Now, she's going to be a millionaire. Going to be a millionaire in a few seconds.
We have receipt.
Okay. Ilan yung ano mo pa? $100.
100 US dollar.
$100. How much is that? Okay.
This one is 100,000.
Wow.
200,000.
Oh, so cute. Okay guys, good morning Vietnam.
Good morning, Vietnam.
We're here today. Time check is around 12:05 Vietnamese time. It's actually 2 a.m. in the Philippines, and it's freaking hot. So our first agenda for today, well, after we have exchanged our dollars and became millionaires, we are going to find we're going to find a something to drink, something na maiinom kasi baka nga lucky kami dito, lucky. So we're going to try this one. Yeah. Pero display naman siguro yan. Shing to shine. Special lucky pa. So they have espresso americano, cappuccino, latte, and caramel macchiato. I ordered a black traditional coffee with ice. Do I feel lucky? Newest endorser. Car. Taste test.
Ayaw kong gamitin kasi baka mamaya magkamali ako dito sa hotel.
Vietnamese vending machine. Good.
Back to my ordered coffee. Ayan. Na-notice nyo siguro na sobrang dami ng ice niya dahil purong kape talaga siya. It's pure black. At yung maraming ice niya complements sa bitter taste ng coffee. Well, at this moment, maybe you're wondering what we are still doing in the airport despite na nakalapag na nga kami. Nagpapalipas muna kami ng oras kasi it's 1:42 in the morning. And since this is our first time in Ho Chi Minh, we arrived 1:40 in the morning, so madaling araw, at nagpalipas muna kami ng konti dito sa airport from our 3-hour flight from Manila. While waiting for our check-in time, naglakad-lakad muna ako to find any convenience store. As I walked back to my hotel, I saw this Allen na nag-ayos ng kanyang banh mi stall. And trivia guys, banh mi is considered a breakfast staple in Vietnam. Good morning. We're walking here in the streets of Ho Chi Minh. We're going to Bien Thanh Market. Good morning. morning. Is it a pho? A pho? Is it a pho? Mahilig sila sa mga ganito-ganito, oh.
Ang dami-daming prepare ni ate. I thought na it's for sale. Then, ang dami niyang mga customers. Pero alam nyo, guys, libre lang ito para sa lahat. In lieu of their celebration.
Is a Buddhist day. It's a Buddhist celebration. So I'm going to taste traditional noodle.
Beef noodle free. 5 tháng 7. 5 tháng 7. Ăn thử. Nếu có đang thử không?
There's a beef brisket or a part of a beef. Tapos meron silang, I think it's a sausage or egg. Yeah, an egg, a noodle, and of course coriander made of special sauce, and it has a lime and an onion. Tastes so fresh. And tender. The beef are tender. I can taste the coriander, the freshness of the coriander and the lime. And some chili. Very good. Okay na.
And yes, Tita Kiss the Pug approved din.
Tastes good.
As we savor this Vietnamese beef noodle na sobrang sarap, we learned that this food was given to everyone for free. That is because of the Vu Lan Feast, or Festival of Wandering Souls na celebrated August 30, 2023. At every year na itong naging panata ni nanay na magbigay ng pagkain sa lahat. We also met this guy who is a local Vietnamese vlogger.
Tết holiday.
Holiday.
Người chết ở dưới.
Today it's a holiday. So that's why they...
Giờ đến. Đại loại là người dưới cổ á.
What's the orange one? What's the name? The orange one, what's that? What's the... What is the orange one? Is it a meat, a fish, or egg? The orange, this one, yeah.
Chả, cua, crab and meat.
Okay, I see. That's why it's delicious.
And yes, naka-round to si Tita kay O. Sarap na sarap!
Đó.
That's the name.
Her name Gương Saigon. Gương Saigon.
It's Gương Saigon. Right across the Benton Market.
Where from? Philippines.
Indeed, Vietnamese people are good cook. The ingredients were simple and yet it tastes clean and straightforward as it is. Special thanks to you, Mother, for sharing your blessings. You are so generous. That smile is a smile of success. Nakalibre pa kami ng breakfast. And this is only, guys, only refill. They say you're not visiting Ho Chi Minh City without visiting this Bentan Market. Ito kasi yung pinakasentrong palengke ng Saigon o Ho Chi Minh City as its present name. Maaga pa kaming pumunta, so some stores or stalls were closed at that time. Tell me you're on the streets of Vietnam without telling me you're on the streets of Vietnam. Motorcycles, dude. Motorcycles. We'll be touring around this District 1 in Ho Chi Minh City since magkakalapit lang ang mga tourist spots and walking distance sila.
Rice, sticker rice. Ayos na naka-uniform siya. Anong nasa kanila yung motor, no?
Nakailang oras pa lang kami sa Ho Chi Minh City. I'm really fascinated about the culture. It is like each corner has these people sitting around with their cold coffee. And chill lang.
That's banh mi. That's banh mi.
After strolling around Bien Thanh Market, we decided to go to the Independence Palace. Ang Independence Palace ay home and workplace ng President of the Republic of Vietnam. So as a trivia, September 2 is declared as Independence of Vietnam. And that explains why ang daming Vietnam flags wherever we go. Vietnam is also known for its strong coffee. Kaya kahit saan, ang daming cafe. Like this one, which is really located right in front of the Independence Palace. Ang Ho Chi Minh City o Saigon ay may maraming iba't ibang parks. Kaya naman ang sarap maglakad dito kahit sobrang init.
Coconut jelly. 50 for 2. Eating local. We're in the middle of the park and we're going to try a delicacy. Coconut jelly. This costs 25,000 dong each. Jelly.
Daw ka ah. Parang kape. Coffee jelly.
Kasi mainit ngayon.
Coffee jelly siya.
Yung taste of coconut.
Okay lang naman.
Kape. The upper part is a coffee, like a coffee jelly, and then the lower part's like a pudding, milk pudding. I cannot taste a coconut yet. I don't know. Just me or
Right.
all amount of coconut.
Yeah.